Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I first wanted to start off this video by saying thank you so much for all of your love and support on my previous video. You guys have no idea how much your understanding means to me, and I literally went through every single comment and read every single suggestion and request. Thank you so much for everything. You guys have really inspired me to create some amazing new content on this channel, and I can't wait to get started. The most popular requests, I have to say, are more hair tutorials using my fancy hair extensions. You guys also requested for me to do more hair care review videos, especially drugstore hair care products. And a lot of you also requested that I do some tutorials on how to manage your natural hair texture, hence this video today. Before I hop into today's video, I wanted to take a moment to quickly ask you guys to click on the notification bell right next to the subscribe button under this video. I'm sure you've heard so many YouTubers asking you to take this action recently, and that's because YouTube has been making a lot of changes to this platform. So even though you guys are subscribed to this channel, it does not mean that you are going to be seeing any notifications every time I upload a video. So if you want to make sure that you stay notified every time I upload a video, make sure you hit that notification bell and you should get notifications every time I upload. So the reason why I decided to film today's video is not only because you guys requested it, but also because I was super inspired by a video that I found of myself when I was about 10 years old. I was going through a bunch of my old family video archives and I stumbled upon this video, and I was just so obsessed with how my hair looked in this clip for some reason. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm super tempted to cut my hair to that length again. I think that hairstyle really suits me. I don't know, that's just my opinion. Let me know what you guys think down below. Do you think I should cut my hair to this length? I'm really curious to know. But in the meantime, I decided to recreate it as best as I could and embrace my natural hair texture. Naturally, my hair is wavy. It has a little bit of frizz to it, a little bit of sections that are kind of more straight, so it's a little bit all over the place. The clip that I showed you previously from when I was 10 years old, that is my virgin hair. That is how my hair used to dry 100% naturally, without any products, without any heat whatsoever. My hair was never colored at that point. So yes, the quality of my hair was much better back then. So it was a little bit difficult to recreate it exactly, but I tried to do the best that I could. Another bonus about this hairstyle is that there is absolutely no heat required, which I love. So this is pretty much how my hair dries naturally nowadays, with a little bit of help with some products that I'm going to be showing you in just a second, and also my handy dandy diffuser. Guys, if you don't have a diffuser on your blow dryer, you need to go run and get one, because I'm telling you, especially for those of you who have wavy or curly textured hair, it is a game changer. I also really wanted to recreate the bangs that I had in that clip that I showed you guys. So I did go ahead and clip in bangs that I'm still working really hard on to perfect for you guys. I've been getting so many questions about when these bangs are going to launch. To be completely honest, it has been taking me a little longer than I expected, because there has been some issues with the design and I was just not happy with 100%. So I've been going back and forth with my factory to try to get them as perfect as possible. I even went ahead and cut these bangs myself yesterday because I just wanted them to be perfect. So as soon as I'm ready to let you guys know that they're going to be available soon, I will definitely let you know. Make sure that you're following me over on Instagram, because that is usually where I do all of my behind the scenes kind of snaps, and I will also be notifying you guys when they are going to launch. All right, so without further ado, let's hop into the video and I'm going to show you how I make my natural hair look like $1,000,000.
So after washing my hair, I always wring out the water and throw it up into my Aquis hair towel. It's made of a highly absorbable material. Absorbable, or is it absorbent? Anyways, it helps your hair dry faster while protecting it against friction, which can damage your hair over time. Then I start adding a few products to my hair to nourish it and protect it. The first product I go in with is the Phytokeratin Repairing Serum for dry, damaged hair. I concentrate this along the lengths and ends of my hair and essentially use it as a potent leave-in conditioner. Next, I will gently brush my hair with my wet brush, starting at the ends of my hair and carefully detangling up the lengths without pulling on my hair. This will help distribute the product, and it will also be the last time I brush my hair while styling it, and I'll tell you why in just a second. Recently, I've been really enjoying applying an essential oil to the ends of my hair before using my blow dryer because not only does it nourish my hair, but it also creates a relaxing aromatherapy experience. I'm telling you, if you haven't tried this yet, I highly recommend that you do. It is heavenly. I'm using a lavender essential oil today by Cucia. The blow dryer I have been using whenever I want to speed up drying time is the Croc Premium Blow Dryer. And remember, since this is a heatless hairstyle, I'm going to be using it on the cool setting so that there is no heat damage. This is a diffuser attachment I have been using, which is also from Croc. I love it because it really helps cut down frizz and just enhance your natural hair texture if you have wavy or curly hair. I just run this through my hair for a few minutes to smooth out any frizz, and then I allow my hair to completely air dry overnight. Before I hop into bed, I like to apply a scalp treatment to my hair since I do suffer from a dry scalp as well. I have really been loving the Scalp Revival Serum by Briogeo, which is made from charcoal and tea tree, and I find that it really soothes my scalp and doesn't leave any greasy residue. Then I've also been going in with my beloved Earth's Nectar Mint Leaf Scalp Oil, which you guys know I love and I've been using for ages. And finally, for my ends, I have been loving the Phytolisse Finishing Serum by Phaedo, which leaves my hair looking and feeling like silk. I mainly focus this product on the ends of my hair and then I leave my hair to air dry overnight. Okay, so the next day, my hair will look somewhat like this. Let's be real, it's different every time. Today, it's mainly wavy with some kinks and straight sections, but I always have perfect waves near the nape of my neck. Does this happen to anyone else? Okay, so remember I told you that I won't brush my hair again during the styling phase? That's because brushing wavy or curly hair after it has air dried will separate the waves or curls and make it look poofy and messy. So I'll just gently comb through the tangles using my fingers to prevent that from happening. And then I'll add in a little more of that Phytolisse Finishing Serum by Phaedo to the lengths and ends of my hair. And of course, I can't forget the bangs, so the last step is to clip in my fringe and blend it with the rest of my hair for an effortless, heatless look that embraces my natural hair texture.
Alright guys, so that wraps up today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed it and learned something new. I really hope that you picked up some tips and tricks to help you really embrace your natural hair texture and feel more confident about rocking your natural hair. And another bonus is the less heat you apply to your hair, the healthier your hair will become with time. That's all I have for you guys today. I want to thank you so much for watching and hanging out with me, and I will see you in my next one.